video, I'll show you 10 powerful questions you can ask ChatGPT today, today right now, to help you make money online, even if you're starting with zero skills, no websites, and just a smartphone. Lovely family, did you know that over 5 billion people use the internet daily, and yet only a small fraction make real money from it? Yes, you've heard me right. While most scroll endlessly, a smart few are using AI tool like ChatGPT to create income streams from the comfort of their homes and of their beds. Hi, my name is Christine Onimakrisho. And this video, I'll show you 10 powerful questions you can ask ChatGPT today, today right now, to help you make money online, even if you're starting with zero skills, no websites, and just a smartphone. Before we go in, I would like to say thank you to our smart engagers, our people that have just come in as subscribers. I'm not a financial controller. I'm not a financial guru. I'm a lady that exposes what is there. Welcome to this mind-blowing video. Let's dive in and see in this video, the 10 questions you can ask ChatGPT to make money online, starting with your phone today, and you get results and you start making money. The first question you can ask ChatGPT is, what are the easiest online side hustles I can do with zero investment? Because we have told you guys, this is the era whereby we don't need to sit down and say, there is no money, we don't have capital. No, go to ChatGPT and ask it. These 10 questions you can make you rich. Start here to discover low barrier ways to earn, like affiliate marketing, freelancing, print on demand, digital products, all these ones. The second question is, give me a step-by-step plan to make a $100 a week online using my phone only. This gives you customized action plan, and it will be based on your resources and skill. So please use ChatGPT. Profitable. These are 10 ways. The third question is, how do I use Facebook or TikTok to earn money as a content creator? Don't be there and you say, I don't know how to use TikTok. I don't know how to use Facebook. No. Social media is not just for fun now. Ask this and learn how to turn your views, how to turn your followers into cash. The fourth one is, show me how to write an engaging product review for affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing pays, but your content must sell. So if you go to ChatGPT, it can help you write reviews that can bring conversions from the people that visit you. The fifth is, what trending digital products can I promote for commission? Stay ahead by promoting what people are already searching for. Please, you get to know that trends equals traffic. So you'll not go and start looking for a calabash that people are not looking for right now. If you want really to know the product that you can start with in affiliate marketing, just do that. Then the sixth is create for me 30 days of content ideas for my niche. 30 days of content ideas for my niche, and this one is money. For example, you can go in health, if your niche is health, if it is like mine, making money online, if it is on education, which education, if it is fashion, it is tech, all this one. But don't forget, consistency is the key. Let AI help you to plan your content that grows your audience and income as you become consistent and focused. The seven is, write me a YouTube script for a video titled How to Make Money on YouTube with a Smartphone. Boom, in 30 minutes it will give it. These are the questions that the question that will give you money with ChatGPT. You don't need to overthink. Let ChatGPT build the structures so you can focus on filming. The eighth question that you can ask, it is, explain how can I make money using ChatGPT itself. Yes, people are using ChatGPT to offer services like writing resumes, ad copy, and many more. This question unlocks how, and you'll get enough how to do it. How can I turn my hobby or story into a profitable ebook or courses? Wow. Please use ChatGPT to ask this, and you'll monetize what you already know or you love. ChatGPT can help you outline It can help you title and even format your content in that ebook. The 10th, last but not least, is give me a weekly income plan I can stick to starting today. This turns goals into habits. AI helps you keep your hustle structured and focused. You guys, if you didn't know that 5 billion people use internet daily, and yet you are among the big fraction that don't earn from it, I want you to come here, start it. These are the major 10 questions that ChatGPT can give you the outline, and if you follow them, you are going to be saying bye-bye to lack, saying bye-bye to asking $50, $30, no. You're going to say bye-bye to making yourself feel sorry. You'll be now stepping into another life of finding yourself, whom do you be with, whom do you talk to, because money speaks, by the way. The truth is, you don't need to be genius here to make money online. Never. Most people, you have failed to know that. It's you. Wake up today and just start asking right questions and the right mindset. Start using ChatGPT. Why do you think it is there? Like business partners, is just like, it's not a toy. It's not something to play with, or you say, I don't know. It's a business partner, I'm telling you. Me, I call it my personal assistant. From today, you start using it by you just going and ask these 10 questions. Even you can choose the question you want to ask. These 10 questions are the beginning of your digital hustle today. And this is your journey. Guys, do you think among these 10 questions, you can benefit from them? Yes, even if you don't write by the way, why haven't you subscribed already? Or why haven't you liked and written a comment in the comment section? Seriously. If you found this video helpful, give this video a little comment. For example, I'm ready to earn. And don't forget to share it to your friends. Don't forget to tell someone who needs to stop scrolling and start building. Do you know most people, the majority of the people are scrolling videos. The majority of the people on the internet scrolling without anything. Yes. But you shouldn't be among them. See in another video. Bye-bye.